Basa yung hair ko dito. Good morning, guys. A day in my life as a working student here in America. And also, this is my first day of class, so I'm taking you with me. And then after class, meron akong work. After work, I do have an appointment kasi ilalagay na yung braces ko sa baba. I'm on my way to school na and... Oh yeah, I'll show you. Yeah, may green light. Kakainin ko yung ginawa ko kagabi. Granola. Ang hirap pala na ito, ang liit niya. Hindi ko na napakita yung naubos ko yung food ko kasi hindi ko talaga siya naubos kasi malilate na ako. So, dito yung building ng laboratory class ko sa building G. And muntikan pa ako malate kaya I'm kinda scared nung time na to. So, ang first lesson namin is about the heart. This is the dissections of the sheep's heart. We also tried an electromyogram, which allowed us to record and analyze electrical signals coming from our muscles. I'm so happy in here because I got to meet two people in class. One of them is Asian, and we were talking about when we came here in America. And I was like, really? Me too! Look, I'm so happy in here kasi parehas kami. After class, pumunta lang kami ng student union to get some food for our brunch. It's because 1 hour lang yung break namin. And then, you know what? Parehas kaming nag-work sa school. Magkaiba lang kami ng department. And yeah, we only have 1 hour to rest and eat our food. Dito, pinag-usapan namin how's life in America and when do we plan to visit our country. And then a student approached us asking where they can get help in applying here to the school. And I directed them to our department because that's what we do. We help students with their applications. Mag-11 na, so I'm on my way to work and it's so hot here. So if you're going in Vegas, make sure to bring your water or like have some drink in your hand. And yeah, this is the building where I work. This is our office and that's my desk. Ako yung una nakikita nila once na pumapasok sila for help with the application, information, or redirection to a different department. Tapos na yung work ko and now nagchichikan lang kami ni Papa habang papunta kami sa Smile Bliss kasi ikakabit na yung braces ko sa baba. Nakarating na kami and I'm so excited kasi makakabit na yung braces ko sa baba and maaayos na siya so hindi na ako mako-conscious every time na magsasalita ako. Hi guys! So kakauwi lang namin and nakabit na yung braces ko sa baba. Look, I'm so excited na maayos na to. And now, ang gagawin ko is I'll be unboxing PR packages na na-receive ko ngayong araw. Look what came in the mail. It's